primary information I'm in Saka, they say Orlando Pirates. I was South Africa, one of the leading contenders in the South African League. I imagine say weekend. Kumasi Asante Kotoko next game on it. Adriana Stars, Ebo Babara Sports Stadium. Almost send they out scout. Now scouts now Omobado. They are coming in to monitor to observe Kumasi Asante Kotoko top man Samba Ndongani Unel, and then goalkeeper Kamara na Omunti and Mpanyifoi every South Africa. But we best say nkomodie no beti masesa na nkofo no enya interest ni wiam. Oma sign Samba Unel and I say Kamara in the time being na the implication is that if someone decides some top players in the time being Asante Kotoko is going to earn something from this deal. That's the twister. Yensa eka because yen na Samba Unel and Mohammed Kamara there. At the end of this season, you woman they are living Kumasi based on information I say can say contracts in with Kumasi Asante Kotoko because they signed in 2024. Now 2 years almost signed on in 2026 say 2026 no I already feel the moment month no na enyanso ye it is saying the latest club to have joined the race for this Asante Kotoko players Samba Ndongani Unel and Mohammed Kamara Orlando Pirates, very strong powerhouse in African football. And of course South Africa they are master kicking Mobebe out another form of South Africa. But remember the Orlando South Africa my team am support to Kaiser Chiefs. Omoni Kotoko ayon kufani mu de pa Polokwane nso wo ho na emom no information na kire say Orlando Pirates omo ye club omo wo sika pa and me small checks kakra me Orlando Pirates you know say Adidas na sponsor omo Adidas and a sponsor Orlando Pirates. It's a small team cry. Now, sa incommodity need to be successful. They could buy these players before some contract for Kotoko to earn something. Sa ankoba sansoa incommodity no be a pre-contract agreement. Therefore, sa omo contract ne so na omo befa na afi the ohubiano e na asem ko. But information I mean sa can say sa Omobefa Samba particularly at the end of the season, and the signing on fee, no player now and say Obema Kotoko half of the signing on fee because no credit or say Kotoko aboa pan. Intisa Omobefa at the end of the season, Grana will be Kotoko kakra let's Kotoko so aje edi atuye.